Hello! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will mix coral paint, semi-gloss latex paint for interior concrete wall. Coral is such a warm color. It is really reminiscent of monumental sunsets. The color is as vibrant and uplifting, but also soft and calming. Coral becomes stunning when combined with Tiffany blue and white. For a masculine feel, use coral as an accent to navy blue. If you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe to Ideal Color Paint Mixing TV. Also click the bell icon to keep updated to our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you! Our client's sample, coral semi-gloss latex paint. We prepare 3 color combination, 60% of semi-gloss latex white, 25% of ochre color tulip red, and 15% latex gloss Hansa yellow. First, let's pour at least 50% of semi-gloss latex white. Then let's add ochre color tulip red. Also drop a little gloss latex Hansa yellow. Stir the paint well to come out the color result. It's more on pink. Let's add more latex yellow. It's almost the same. Let's just add more latex yellow and ochre colored tulip red to make it more darker. Okay, we got the right shade now. We just have to stir the paint well. Mixing accomplished. Before we end this video, we wanna say thank you. 300 subscribers. We appreciate every likes, comments, views, and subscription. More paint mixing tutorial to upload. Thank you for watching.